Are you tired of your usual cup of coffee? Maybe it's time to try something new and exciting, like a delicious black roasted coffee. It's a perfect beverage for those who love bold and intense flavors. Here's a simple recipe to help you make the perfect cup of black roasted coffee right at home. First, you'll need to start with high-quality, freshly roasted coffee beans. It's essential to choose beans that are dark roasted to perfection. The dark roast brings out the rich and robust flavors that are characteristic of black roasted coffee. Once you have your beans, it's time to grind them to the right consistency. For black roasted coffee, a coarse grind is preferable to allow for extraction of the bold flavors without over-extracting the bitter compounds. Next, you'll need to heat water to just below boiling point. The ideal temperature for brewing black roasted coffee is around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the water is heated, it's time to add the ground coffee to your coffee maker. Whether it's a French press, pour over, or drip machine, for every 6 ounces of water, you should add about 2 tablespoons of coffee. The precise measurement may vary depending on your personal preference, so feel free to adjust as needed. Now carefully pour the hot water over the coffee grounds and let it steep for about 4 minutes. During this time, the water will extract the intense flavors from the coffee grounds, producing a robust and full-bodied brew. Once the steeping is complete, it's time to gently press the plunger or use the built-in filter in your coffee maker to separate the grounds from the liquid. Pour the freshly brewed black roasted coffee into your favorite mug and savor the rich aroma that fills the air. You can enjoy your black roasted coffee as is or add a touch of cream or sugar to suit your taste. However, true coffee connoisseurs often prefer to enjoy the intense flavors of black roasted coffee in its pure form. With just a few simple steps, you can create a satisfying cup of black roasted coffee that will wake up your taste buds and invigorate your senses. So, why settle for ordinary coffee when you can elevate your morning routine with a bold and flavorful black roasted brew? Try this recipe today and experience the pleasure of a perfectly brewed cup of black roasted coffee.